let's look at installing Snap&Read. So the first thing to do is go to the Klein Web Store, and so you're going to click it. The best way, I think, is to click in the top left corner on Apps and then just click on Web Store. Now you're going to search for Snap and with the little symbol for and, read, all one word, and there it is. Now you will click on install, I believe it says, and then once you click that, it will also you will also have to approve it. And then once you have approved it, it looks like this in your top on your extensions, where your extensions are. Okay, so it's turned off at the moment, and so that red dot also means that I'm signed out. So now you will need to sign in. I don't sign out all the time, I just sign in the one time, but click on sign in, and you are going to pick sign in with Google. You want to make sure you and your students click sign in with Google. Make sure your Klein email address is there. And then notice up here now it is turned blue. So now let me go to a website. There you can see Snap&Read on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, so now I know it is installed. I'm going to click here, and I know it is also turned on because this is blue. Okay, sometimes I do turn this off when I'm not using it because it does take up space, and all you do is toggle off like that, and then it's off over there. See the difference with it being gray. And that's how you install Snap&Read.